Hey, are you looking to get into the digital real estate? Are you trying to start an online business? And you watching TikTok and YouTube and you're seeing all this stuff and they're saying, hey, buy this, buy that. You know, they're classifying themselves as some kind of guru and they're going to sell you something that's going to make you $1,000,000 overnight. Well, don't fall for it. None of it's going to work. It's just like any brick and mortar business out there. You know, it takes time, takes effort. You got to get your website. You got to get some funnels. There's a lot of stuff you need if you want to start an online business, if you're trying to sell stuff. So, you know, you can't, like, the biggest thing with affiliate marketing and others is that it takes time. You got to get your name out there, your brand. So if it may take you 6 months, may take you a year, or it may take you longer. So it just depends how much time you got to put in it. If you're working a 9 to